Hello investors, welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be discussing if NIO is a buy stock right now in the market and why you need to invest into NIO stock right now. So a couple of things that we're going to be looking at with NIO is going to be upgrades. So upgrades from analysts and what they're saying right now with the stock. Also, we're going to be looking at the price movement, what they're doing right now with their vehicles, how they're operating right now, and looking at some of the news that's been coming out, and just taking a quick look into the fundamentals and analysis of the NIO stock. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Now, if you're new to the channel, guys, and this is the type of content that you guys are interested in seeing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're really close. We're at about 9,500 right now. Also, let's smash that like button. Let's get over 100 likes on this video. I'd really appreciate that, and it helps the channel grow. Now, let's get into the NIO details. Now, the first thing we're going to be taking a look at is pretty much the price movement. So let's take a look. Right now, it's trading at $28.48. It was up about 41 cents today, or 1.46%. So the stock was actually trading at an all-time high. In the morning, it made an all-time high for the week, but then it pulled back. So it didn't really stay at that price. Now, if we look right here at the 5 days, right here, you can see a major move from about $21 per share. Volume started to pick up right here, as you can see these candles. Look at that volume. Volume is just extreme, and as you can see, that it caused the price to fluctuate really high and continue to go up and up. And it's kind of trying to consolidate here around this $27 area, which is a good thing to see because that means we're going to continue to make newer highs, hopefully. Now, if we take a look right here at the 1 month chart, obviously it was trading at around $20 for a long time. If we look at the 6 month chart, it was trading down here at about $3 in April, and look at it now, $28. But if we look here at the 1 year chart, stock was trading at about $1.50. Now it's at $28. So if you got in at those prices, you made out really good. Now, I personally used to own this stock at around $3 or $4 per share, and of course I sold it and I did not keep it, so I did not get all these gains, but some other people have. Now, another thing we're going to be looking at right here with NIO is going to be looking at their earnings. So earnings that happened in August 11th, 2020, the EPS actual was negative 17 cents per share. They beat by 9 cents, which is actually a good thing. Revenue was at around 535.73 million, which is good, half a million or $500 million right there. And they beat revenue by 33.79 million. That's definitely something we want to see. We want them to continue to beat the whatever their predictions are and continue to do well. If we look here, their next earnings date is going to be on November 6, 2020, estimated around that time. And EPS estimate is going to be around negative 18 cents per share, with revenue being at around 616.28 million, which is not bad. That is a little bit higher than the previous quarter, which is a positive thing for us if we're taking a look at that. Now, one thing that we're going to be looking right here is with news. So what happened in the news this week? There's a couple of things that we want to talk about. So a look at unusual large NIO option trades. So a lot of these stocks get pushed up because of options traders, and that is something actually that we have to take a look at. Even if you're not an options trader, you sometimes want to keep an eye out on options because they can drive the market to go up. And as you can see, the stock is trading at all-time highs. So if we take a look right here, as it says, shares are up over 1,720% over the past year, and some large option traders are betting that NIO rally has legs and continues on higher. So right here, if we look, at 9:31 a.m., a trader bought 2,001 NIO call options with a $25 strike price expiring on Friday near the ask price at 2.2, and the trade represented a 440,421 bullish bet. Then you can see another trader sold call options right here at the $23 strike, and then another one right here bought at 984, and then another one down here sold at 560. Now, like it says right here, why it's important for NIO investors. Even traders who stick exclusively to stocks often monitor option market activity closely for unusual large trades. Given the relative complexity of the options market, large options traders are considered to be more sophisticated than the average stock trader. Many of these large options traders are wealthy individuals or institutions who may have unique information on or these related on the underlying stock. Now, that is something we always, we don't know as small guys because we're not these big, hedge funds or these big investors, but definitely always have to keep an eye out on these options because they can go up, they can cause these prices to fluctuate a lot. And you can see, NIO's shares are up over 34% in the past 2 days, and that's also thanks to upgrade. That's something we're going to be looking at as well. So if we take a quick look right here, JP Morgan said NIO stock could double. It's now a third of the way there. So it could double. That is their prediction right now. Wow, look at that. Look at that beautiful car right there. So JP Morgan analyst Nick Lai upgraded the stock of a Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO to a buy from a hold on Wednesday. So Wednesday is the big day. That's when everything, started to pop. Now take his price target all the way to $40 from $14. So his price targets previously was at $14, and now he has raised it all the way up to $40. Now, if you ask me, that's over a 200% pop that he did right there. That is double NIO's average price over the past month, and nearly double where the stock was trading before the bullish call. As you guys saw, the stock was trading around $20 per share, which is double, what the prediction is right there, $40. So it has a long way up. Now, NIO stock jumped in Wednesday morning, finishing up 26% up at $26.60. The stock has gained 5.9% to $28.07 on Thursday for a 2-day percentage gain of 30%. And then, as I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, obviously today, which is Friday, I'm recording this video on Friday, so the stock closed out at around $28.48. Now, Lai thinks China's EV penetration will be 4 times higher by 2025, meaning that about 20% of all new cars sold in China would be battery powered. This is good news for all EV players. Lai also rates the stock of XPeng XPEV a buy with a $27 price target. Obviously, he is doing some major crazy things right here that is really pushing this stock to continue to go up, which is good, obviously, for NIO investors, because that is helping them and making some gains. Now, if we take a look down here, China is the largest market in the world for new vehicles. So global light vehicle sales, and this is going to be 100 million vehicles. So right here, if we look at ROW, is going to be 29 million. Right here, Europe is going to be 17 million. US is 17, and then China 25 million vehicles. And that is just 2019 right there. If we see here, it's been increasing. So for 12 million to 22 million to 25 million, but it's much higher, than these other ones. So that is amazing to see. And then if we take a look here, still the 3 Chinese electric vehicle companies trade at a discount versus obviously Tesla. Tesla trades for more than 7 times estimates 2022 sales. So price to estimate for the 2022 sales, Tesla trades at 7.4 times, and then NIO is at 4.8 times, and then the other two are 3.8, 3.7. But NIO trading at 4.8 times the price to estimates for the 2022 sales. Now, another thing we're going to be looking at right here is with NIO is NIO stock popped 26%. 3 reasons it's not too late to buy right now. So these are some other reasons that these people think that NIO is a great buy right now. So stocks in the Shanghai-based NIO, a maker of the premium electrical vehicles, has soared in 2020, which we already know. And now here are the 3 reasons that they say that the trend could continue. The number 1 is going to be soaring sales. After that is going to be expectations beating results, and high product quality. So let's take a look down here. NIO's soaring sales. So NIO's quarterly and monthly sales are setting records. According to CleanTechnica, NIO delivered 4,708 vehicles in September, up about 133% from the year before. In the third quarter, its deliveries increased 154% to 12,206, and its deliveries in the first 9 months of 2020 have more than doubled to 26,375. Wow, now that's a huge gain right now. Now, if we look right here, NIO distinguishes itself from competitors by enabling consumers to swap depleted batteries for the new fully charged ones at 143 automated battery swapping stations located in 64 cities. So that is actually pretty good. You can just go ahead and swap out your depleted batteries for a new one right there. So that is amazing. NIO's expectations beating results, obviously right here. According to the Reuters, on August 11th, NIO reported that its second quarter revenue more than doubled to 3.72 billion, which is 220 million yuan more than expected. NEO forecast revenue between 4.05 billion yuan and 4.21 billion yuan, which is about 606.68 million for the third quarter, well ahead of Refinitive's analyst consensus of 3.53 billion yuan. NEO's loss was less than expected. Excluding items, NEO posted a loss of about 1.08 yuan per American depository share, ADS, 76 yuan per ADS lower than analysts had expected, which is amazing for us. And then NEO's high quality vehicle. So NEO's vehicles are relatively high quality, beating Tesla according to JD Power. So this is what they're saying. NEO ranks highest among all brands in the battery electrical vehicle segment with 109 problems cited per 100 vehicles, followed by Tesla right there, and then Aura, and then the next one, and the next one. So, they're saying that NEO is doing very amazing, compared to its competitors, and that they're doing really good in sales, that they're doing really good, obviously, with beating the results, and then, just everything in general, the three big things right there: high production. So they think that NEO is a great buy. Now, personally, what do I think? So this stock right here, after this, huge gain right there and amazing run up that we're seeing right now, and now it's kind of like there's a lot of hype around this stock. So I'm expecting this stock to pull back a little bit, but then I expect it to continue to trend up. And I personally give it a price target around $42, $43 per share. That is my personal opinion, and I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys that I actually bought some of this stock in my portfolio. So now, guys, I'm actually going to be showing you really quick my portfolio, which I own NEO, and I actually bought NEO stock. So this is actually, towards the end of the video, guys. So obviously, my personal opinion is NEO is definitely a buy stock right now at these prices. And like I said, my price target personally is around $42, $43. They said $40 per share. That is their prediction. Mine's around $42, but we'll see who is right and who is wrong. Obviously, this is just my prediction. I'm not a financial advisor. Fair warning. This is all, just what I'm seeing right now with the news. So obviously, before investing into NEO stock, do your own research and, make sure you talk to your financial advisor, because I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion. But right now, we own about $1,712.85 worth of NEO. If we take a look, we're up about $96 in that position, which is about 6% almost. But if we look here, we own 60.14 shares at an average share price of $26.87. And right there, the cost is $1,616, like we see. Currently, it's trading at $28.48, and their market cap is 30.4 billion. So yes, I think that NEO is definitely a buy right now, and that is obviously just my personal opinion. So if you guys made it this far into the video, obviously go ahead and smash that like button. Let's try to get over 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. What do you think about NEO? Do you think that NEO is a buy stock right now, or a sell stock, or a hold stock, or just your opinion? What do you guys think? Do you think they're going to be competitors to Tesla, or do you think that Tesla is just way better than them? I mean, only time will tell. Tesla is an amazing company, obviously, but NEO, I think that NEO of China is going to be doing amazing things in the near future, and that is why, in my personal opinion, I think that NEO is definitely a buy stock. Now, if you guys enjoyed this, I hope to see you guys in the future videos, and goodbye.